There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want.
What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are leaving this beautiful house right there, home away from home on booking.com. Make sure you check them out if you're in the area of Sibiu. And unfortunately we were gonna leave the area of Sibiu as well. We're going back to Bucharest, but we will stop along the road to some beautiful sites, so make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna take you with us, so let's go guys.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what.
Right guys, after driving about 100 kilometers, we have to stop at Casa Oltenasca to get something to eat. We've got another 180 kilometers left to Bucharest, but I think we're gonna stop at one more place. We will see. We're definitely gonna share it with you. But let's get inside and see what we can order from their menu. Right guys, we're gonna have to look for another place. But the guys here were quite funny, because we asked for something without meat, obviously. We were looking for a vegetable soup or something like that, and he was like, only if I take the meat out of the meat soup. Like, what would that do? Like, they will make the soup with meat and then take the meat out. Anyway, he was just trying to help us, but we're gonna have to look for another place, probably something with fish. Right guys, our second try is Hunturistic Motel Topologu, and they actually have what we need. We already went inside, we sat at the table and we ordered some what was that, bean soup, bean soup, yeah. And what else?
Mushroom stew.
Some mushroom stew, yeah, with
Polenta, I think.
with polenta, yeah.
Yeah.
It should be good. We're gonna share it with you anyway. But yeah, thumbs up to the place. It looks pretty decent. We're gonna try it and let you know how it was afterwards.
So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning on fire.
And food done guys, that was actually pretty good. And we had the bean soup. That one costs 4 lei, which is about 70 pence per portion.
Really cheap.
That is really cheap. If you come on the River Olt Valley, so Valea Oltului, you'll be able to find this place right here with great food and really affordable. But now we're gonna move on, and next stop, we don't know exactly where, but as I said, we've still got 180 kilometers to Bucharest. We will see where's the next stop. We will let you know guys.
Won't you let me trip with you? Leaning on fire. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? I dream that if I can hold you close.
Guys, we're back home now. We haven't stopped anywhere else on the road. We just went straight home because it started raining. It wasn't really worth it. But again guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you stay tuned because we're gonna go across the country in even more places. We're gonna go to the seaside, some more mountainside as well, so make sure you stay tuned. Look at that beautiful sunset right there, and look at beautiful Ioana right here. Stay tuned guys, have a lovely one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Let me